Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Shumuriel. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Unless it's your first time here, then hey, what's up? I'm Shumuriel. I was playing around with my Karuchi X. Is it Karuchi X Colourpop? Karuchi by Colourpop? Karuchi times Colourpop? I never know how to label it when it's someone's name X, the name of the brand. Never know what to call it. I hear people say it different ways. I never know. Point is, Karuchi and Colourpop collabed, made up this brown sugar palette. And I've been obsessed with Colourpop lately, so I decided to buy it. I mainly used, let's see, what colors did I use? I don't even know how to say this one. Okay, so I don't know how to say this color, but I used this one, this one, this one, and this one. And maybe some of that one. So I used a majority of the colors in this palette. I won't lie, there was a part in this video where I almost just said screw it and didn't finish recording it because I couldn't get my lashes on. And if you've been a watcher of my videos, you know that I have a love-hate relationship with lashes. I love how they look when I get them on and I get them on right, but it's oftentimes a struggle for me. So I was having some struggles with my lashes. I was having some struggles with my lashes and I was ready to just be like, forget it. But then I was like, no ma'am, we're gonna get this done. And I got it done. My lashes look decent and I think the look came out pretty okay. So I say all of that to say, if you wanna see how I got this look, then keep watching. Oh, and while you're here, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you. So we're gonna kick this look off using a primer from MAC. It's one of the little samples they send you when you order stuff. So applying that primer all over my face and rubbing it in, like so. Next up, we're going in with the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. I am in the shade Dark 155, and I am using a new brush I got from IT Cosmetics to apply it. Here I'm going in with another Colourpop product. It's the No Filter Concealer in the shade Deep Dark 52. And I'm just using that to go around the outer part of my face and to contour a bit. Then I'm going in with another Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Dark 36. And I'm using that to highlight. And the good thing about that brush is it has a side for foundation and a side for concealer. I'm going in with the foundation one more time because I have acne scars that were not invited to the party. They thought they could show up and I said no. So just going back over with the foundation to try and cover those up. And I am setting the foundation with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, one of my faves. Following that up with the Maybelline Fit Me. I believe this is the shade Medium Deep. And I just like to use that to brush off the yellow powder and then kind of set it too, like a 2-for-1, if you will. Now I am using the Scandinavia, the Makeup Finishing Spray Oil Control to have all the makeup merge. You guys have seen me do my brows, so here's a quick little edit of brows off, brows on. Okay, so I am using the shade, I believe it's pronounced Sorrel, S-O-R-R-E-L-L, from the Karuchi X Colourpop collection, and just using that as a transition color. Just going back and forth with a fluffy brush. As you see here, windshield wiper motions, doing a little bit of a swirl, got all that action going. Next up, I will be using the shade Chalk, C-H-O-C, with another fluffy brush and just going over Sorrel. I can't remember the name of this brush, but I know it's by Morphe. And now I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush and blending those two browns. And then I'm taking more more chalk and just doing the same thing over. It's like blending, it's blending and blending and blending is all I'm doing. Okay, girl, we get the point. Let's go to the next clip. Now I am using that same Colourpop concealer to give myself a cut crease. And I am taking the shade Sauté and putting that on my lid. I'm trying to describe this. It's like a olivey, browny, I can't describe this color, but yeah, applied Sauté to the lid, and then I'm taking chalk and putting that in the outer corner. I'm stamping it basically. See? Stamp, 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 stamp. The shade I'm using to do this motion here is Chalk. Alright, now I'm putting some more concealer on my lower lash line so I can put shadow down there, and I'm using Chalk still. Okay, now I don't know how much of this you can see in the look, but I took a blue eyeliner by Colourpop, I can't remember what it's called, and what I'm trying to do here is apply it to my waterline. Now how much of that you could see, I don't know, but that was my intent, was to put it on my waterline. Oh, and I also applied the shade Auburn to my lower lash line, like the inner corner of my lower lash line, if that makes any sense. Now I'm taking a glitter liner by Urban Decay Cosmetics. This is in the shade Midnight Cowboy. Just trying to, I don't know, that was the last minute decision. And I'm trying to make sure I don't look all over the place too much and mess up the glitter, and it was a mess. I was looking all over the place. I was supposed to just look down, and yeah, but it turned out okay. So the highlighter that I'm using is Shocker by Colourpop. It's the Shayla X Colourpop collab in the shade Boomin'. And the lippy is, you guessed it, Colourpop in the shade Pearl Next Door. Very pretty red. So once I finish putting the lip on, this will complete the look. Then will come the extra clips of me trying to pose and be cute for y'all. So thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See, there go the extra little looks. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, I'll see you. Bye.